Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome. So in today's video, I'm going to share with you guys some quick and easy 5-minute hairstyles just for black girls, just for girls with natural hair like me who want to wear their natural hair to work. So if you guys are interested in these easy hairstyles, make sure you guys stay tuned and let's begin. Okay, so look at my hair. I know it looks like a mess. I had it under wigs for like the longest time and this is how it looks, but don't worry, I'm going to make it look good by the end. So what you want to do first is either have your hair in cane rolls, okay? And you're going to leave the cane roll in for 5 days. If you can go longer than 5 days, keep it in for a week. The longer the better. So you're going to either cane roll your hair, you're either going to plait your hair into whatever sizes you want. You want it really small, you want it really big. Or you're going to want to twist your hair in whatever size you want. Again, either small or big. And for me, all I have in my hair right now is hair oil. If you want to go in, you can go with some holding styling gel products or mousse, and then you want to put that in and then cane roll your hair right after, or twist your hair right after, because you want to lock in the style of that twist or that plait, right? So I'm just going to take this out. You want to preserve like these right here. Now if your hair is plait as small as this, it may take longer than 5 minutes to take them out. So you want to do like medium sized cane rolls, maybe like 4 on this side and then 4 on this side, just so it doesn't take as long. So yeah. So as you guys can see, this is a braid out, legit. It takes 5 minutes to do this, but I didn't explain this properly on like prepping and everything for braid outs. So basically, say like 1 week you decide that you want to wear wigs for that week, and underneath your wigs, what I would recommend is you guys cane roll your hair or plait your guys' hair like really big, like braid it really big, or put twists in your hair really big underneath your wigs. So you wear that for the whole week, and then after the week, say you're just like, you know, I'm tired of wigs, I want to wear my natural hair again, because that happens with me a lot. What you can do is take out the braids out of your hair, or the plaits or the twists, and legit you can have 2 hairstyles in one. Like you take off the wig and then now you have a different hairstyle. You have a braid out, a twist out, whatever you want. That's why I told you guys to prep it by putting like a styling mousse or anything like that. Again, with me, I don't like putting gel in my hair, especially if it's a protective hair for a long time. I'm going to have it in a protective style like cane rolls. I put hair oil in it, and that's why I told you guys, like, have it in your hair for like 5 days. If you can go longer than 5 days, the better it is. As you can see, it took the shape of the cane rolls, and then the bigger you do it, obviously the quicker it is going to be to take out everything. So that's why I recommend this hairstyle, and I love this hairstyle for work, like you're wearing your natural hair. It's a braid out, it looks good, it's fun. I feel like my hair can breathe, and wind goes through it, it just feels well, everything. So what you can go in next is with hair oil, some type of hair sheen, hair oil, anything like that. You can use this consistency type of oil, and then what you could do is just rub it, and then you can just put it throughout your hair like this. So while you're fluffing out your hair, and then if you don't want to do all that and you don't want to get your hands all like oily, just go in with a hair sheen or a hair oil in a spray aerosol can, and you just lightly spray it around your hair. And it smells good, it puts in moisture. You want to lock in this hairstyle, but I feel like this hairstyle is already locked in because you already prepped for this hairstyle under your wig. You could go in with this Tresemme, but I like the smell of this and it makes my hair smell so good. So I'm just going to put this lightly over my head. It's going to lock in this hairstyle, plus it's going to make my hair smell good. And that's really it. I love this hairstyle, it just looks so good. Okay, so the next one, okay, you just want to make sure that your hair is fully combed out. So after combing out your hair, brushing out your hair, you're going to think of which part you want to do in your hair. Is this straight? I don't even think this is straight. So what I'm going to go in with is some hair oil, and I'm just going to put the hair oil and make sure you're okay with the part that you have here. Okay, so I'm just going to start brushing my hair back. Trust me, this hairstyle does not take a long time at all. Okay, then I have my hair bands. I love these hair bands. I get them from beauty supply store. They just stretch. If you have thick hair like I do, these hair bands are your best friend because they stretch like so far. So I'm using mousse. And mousse is just going to hold down everything and mold everything that we need for this hairstyle here. I don't know if you guys noticed this, but I'm not too much of a baby hair person. I like this minimal or like really sleek back with no baby hair look. I noticed that like when I was going to work, I really more focused on my hairstyles than my makeup, because I felt like a nice hairstyle always will make you look much better. Even though you don't have any makeup on, even if you have your eyebrows like done like threaded wax or whatever, and your skin is like clear, I just feel like hairstyles alone will like transform your look. And I know it's like when I go to work, I don't really wear makeup. It'll be like If it's only like a special event, occasion, or if I have an interview or meeting, I'll wear makeup. But other than that, I'm not wearing makeup. I just focus on my hair. Comment down below or like this video if you agree too, because that's just what I think. And again, with this hairstyle, you can do it the night before. I used to do this, especially if I knew I had to wake up like super early the next morning. Lord, I used to do this hairstyle the night before and wrap it. And then when I wake up in the morning, all I have to do is just take off the head wrap. I don't even have to worry about makeup. Put on my clothes, my nice outfit, and then go to work. Now, the back of your hair is obviously going to be combed out, brushed out. What you want to go in with is a sock blend. You can buy these at Dollar Store, Dollar Tree, Walmart, any drugstore. You can get them like this. You can get them in the wire form, or you can get the buns them that already have hair on it, and you just add it. I don't do that. I have so much hair, as you guys can see, and it's so thick. What I do is add this sock blend. I made this like 5 years ago, and I just kept it in my little, where all my like hair ties and everything is, because I was like, you know what, maybe one day I'll wear this. And I do. I pull this out like once in a while when I do this hairstyle. This hairstyle's so, I'm talking so it doesn't seem like it's 5 minutes, but legit, this takes like 5 minutes to do. So you just put it on the back. If you guys want to learn how to make sock blends here, I learned from YouTube. There's so many tutorials here. I used brand new socks. Make sure all your hair is covering the sock blend, and then you go in with another hair tie. Put it over. Whoa, what's happening? You put it over. The remaining hair, you just wrap it around and then tuck it in. You wrap it around and tuck it in, and as you guys can see, this hairstyle is so sleek. It's so nice. And that's it. Okay, so for this next hairstyle here, it's really easy. I want to do some length, and that's what we're gonna do. Okay, see how my hair's sticking out? So you're gonna plait it, you're gonna twist the two plaits together and just leave it like this. We're gonna go with a hair bundle. I feel like if your hair is not straightened or permed, you have natural hair like this, go in with a curly hair bundle or maybe a wavy one you can get away with if your hair is more thinner too. Okay, and then you're just going to wrap the bundle. I'm just going to use the bobby pin to secure the first one. On my channel, I have like full in-depth tutorials on every single one of these hairstyles. So you guys just look in my hair section on my channel. You'll see it. And you're just going to wrap, okay, make sure, and to secure it again, you go back in with a bobby pin. And there you go. It's done. With this hairstyle, maybe one day you can do the sock bun, the next day the ponytail, the next day the sock bun, and just rotate like that. This hairstyle here, you're going to, let me show you guys. You're going to separate your hair like that. See how quick I did it? And then you're either going to make 2 cane rolls at the back here, or just plait it. And yeah, so that's what you're going to do now. So it doesn't matter how the back of your hair looks because you're going to cover it. Okay, so after you cane roll the back of your hairstyle, I just put in 2. I don't really care how it looks. What you want to do is wet the front of your hair. So I'm going to go do that and come back. But what you want to go in with now is your wig cap. You want to go in with the wig cap just to hold up the back of the 2 cane rolls that you did at the back of your head. Just want to do like that. And then you want to go in with a half wig. You can get half wigs at beauty supply stores. Make sure you clip on the half wig good. If you don't have a half wig, you can buy some on AliExpress. Or you can use a full wig and then hold it down with some bobby pin if they don't have any combs in it. So I used to do this hairstyle a lot for work, and then all I would have to do is just style the front of my hair. And if you want, I like taking some of the hair from the half wig and intermingling it, and then like tying it in with my bun that I'm going to do to make it look a little bit more natural. So yeah, so this is the hairstyle, half up, half down. As you guys can see, it took me like 5 minutes to do it because all I had to do was put on the half wig, style the front of my hair, and there we go, we have it. And it looks like I put so much effort into this hairstyle. So that's it for today's video. I hope you guys like it. Comment down below your favorite hairstyle out of all of these. Give this a thumbs up if you found this video really helpful. Yeah, I'll see you guys in my next one. Au revoir.